How to enable 2FA in Finary. Are you using Finary and want to add an extra layer of security to your account? Then, first of all, open up the Finary application and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. On the next page, click on Two-Factor Authentication under Security. Click on I'm ready to secure my account in the pop-up. Now, go ahead and download an authentication application, Google Authenticator or Authy. Go open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, search for Google Authenticator or Authy. Now, I already have the Google Authenticator app installed. Go ahead and install it and open it up. From your Finary app, copy the secret key. Now, get back to the Authenticator app and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Click on Enter a setup key and under your key, go ahead and paste in the key. In code name, you can enter Finary. Now choose whether you want the code to be time-based or counter-based and click Add at the bottom. Now you'll be able to add the Finary code, tap on the Finary code generated and get back to Finary app. Click on I entered my secret key and on the next page, paste in the code that you just copied. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Finary account. You can use one of the codes displayed on the screen to sign into your account if you lose access to your authentication device. Tap on Copy Backup Codes and paste it somewhere safe. Finally, click on Finish. And that's how you enable two-factor authentication in Finary. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.